Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Hans Heidorn from the Shining 3D Dental team. Today I'm excited to introduce to you the latest innovation in intraoral scanning, the Aoralscan Elite Wireless, the world's first intraoral photogrammetry wireless scanner. Let's take a look at what you'll find when you open it for the first time. Inside the box you'll find two cases, a larger one for the main scanner and all key accessories, and a smaller one for the optional coated scan body kit. Let's begin with the main case. As you open it, you'll see the sleek, compact Aoralscan Elite Wireless Scanner neatly organized with all essential accessories. You'll notice that it feels solid, elegant, and professional, weighing just 194 grams with the battery inside. Before you start using the scanner, you'll notice a QR code inside the case. Simply scan it to access the introduction and operational guide to help you get familiar with the Aoralscan Elite Wireless. There's also an envelope containing 3 guides, one for setup and the other 2 are for cleaning, disinfection, and sterilization process. Now let's look at the other accessories included in the main case. A charging cradle. A convenient cradle to rest your scanner when it's not in use. It also supports wireless charging, so your scanner will always be ready to go without worrying that you'll run out of battery life. There are 2 batteries, each capable of supporting 2 hours of continuous scanning along with charging case that fully charges them in about 2.5 hours. There are 6 scanning tips, 2 big IPG tips, 3 standard size tips, and 1 mini tip. All of these are autoclavable up to 100 times. There's a calibration tool, a simple and intuitive calibration tool ensuring accurate scanning every time. There are connection cables, one for the calibrator connection and one for the cradle connection. There's a USB flash drive. The drive contains the intraoral scanning software needed to run the scanner. Second case, coated scan bodies and accessories. Let's quickly check out the contents of the second smaller case. This case includes accessories related to the IPG system. The autoclavable yellow box for storing your IPG components safely. Coated scan body. There are 9 coated scan bodies and 12 scan bodies included for a perfect intraoral photogrammetry all-on-X implant cases. Practice model. 1 model printed so you can practice your scanning technique. Screwdrivers and torque wrench. A short and long screwdriver along with a torque wrench to help you torque the coated scan body and cap scan bodies. Connecting the scanner is simple. Just plug the Type-C end of the cable into the cradle and the other end into your computer. Within about 10 seconds, the connection will be established. It's that simple. That's all for the unboxing. We hope you enjoyed using your Aoralscan Elite Wireless and look forward to seeing your amazing case results and happy patients.